So how do you check your daily screen time on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the screen time, generally speaking, on our Apple devices can be found inside of the settings, and you can literally scroll through the options, and the screen time is going to be one of them. So at first, if you have never used it, you will have to enable the tracking of your activity. So if you haven't done that, make sure you turn it on. But once you do have it enabled and some time passes, all of your activity is going to be tracked, right? Obviously, it's only on your device, so it's not getting shared anywhere, but you can see where you spend the time on the iPad. So it's going to show you the specific apps and how long you spent using those apps, but even more things, like you'll see the notifications and the pickups, which is interesting. It's the first app you open after unlocking the device, the iPad. So that's definitely an interesting thing to take a look at. But the point is that you can switch either between the week view and a day view. And obviously for a daily screen time, you want to go to the day mode and you can see the specific data for that. You can also go back in time to a few days back, and yeah, you can basically see what you were doing a week ago. So that's pretty useful. One more thing though, if you have multiple different devices, make sure you click on the devices section in at the top right and only select the data, the screen time data, to be shown from your iPad only, or at least know which data you're looking at, because sometimes it might put it all together, even include stuff from my Mac computer or iPhone, and then it becomes a little bit confusing. But yeah, that's how you can separate the devices. But that is all from me. I really hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.